in Constitution 1973 who were declared non-Muslims? A. Qadianis is the correct answer. When did Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League? A. 1939 is the correct answer. Pakistan's national flag was prepared by D. Amir-ud-Din Kadwi is the correct answer. Pakistan's first coin was issued on circa the 3rd of January 1948 is the correct answer. Where the biggest salt mine located in Pakistan? B. Jhelum is the correct answer. The longest river in Pakistan is B. River Sindh is the correct answer. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? C. Jasmine is the correct answer. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? D. Chakor is the correct answer. Who started the Faraisi movement? A. Haji Shariat Ullah is the correct answer. The Kashaf-ul Majub was written by A. Hazrat Data Ganj Buksh. R. A. is the correct answer.